It was time to leave the Liberty Lara hotel and fly home from Antalya to London. We stopped via the Trendy Lara hotel. I will be making you a comparison video between Trendy Lara and Liberty Lara.
Being here on my own, where the wind's blowing and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago.
Okay, this is Antalya Airport. We just had to check in because that's what you have to do with EasyJet. You have to check in. You can't get your boarding passes beforehand. We have put our bags through a security thing already, but now we're going to drink liquids because we think that they got to go in again. So we're not through the security bit yet, but there's some shops and stuff. Nice airport. And I'm just going to empty my water bottle in case I can't take that through. So I'm trying to find something to eat that's gluten-free that we can take on the plane. We've got classic Lay's, and as we probably all know by now, Lay's are like the best crisps in the world. There are chocolate bars for €3, which is pretty expensive, but these do look really nice, just not for me. There's Fiji water as well, look at that. Bottles of wine. So yeah, may just have to eat crisps, which is not ideal. Oh, look, gluten-free, what's this? Oh, I had these last time. Did I? I don't know. They're gluten-free something. So we've got quite an empty flight, which is handy. There's 3 seats over there. We've got a seat in between us, so we've put our stuff. Apparently, it's quite windy over there, so I don't know about that. But yeah. Someone's been really funny over there, but it's got really dark just after the lady announced that it was going dark. I was like, tell her it's going dark. And I was like, we've got a call back. Oh no, I want my money back. Anyway, we're taking off. You can't see, hang on. I'm a little bit low on my battery, so I'm not gonna film too much on the way. Just wanted to really tell you on this EasyJet flight, there's quite a bit of gluten-free food, which I know some of you are here for that. And they have a really nice chicken korma, so once we're in the air and they come around with the trolley and stuff, I'm gonna order that. And also there's gluten-free brownie, so that'd be nice. But I do want to save my battery because my daughter's skiing. And when we land, I just want to check on her and be able to get the map. So let's fly, let's go. See you later.
Those years ago, but now remembering is all I know.
Right, so I did actually order this for dinner. This is an EasyJet flight, don't forget. There's the ingredients, no gluten, and it's a little dinner, but it's nice. It's going to be lovely. But we did just have some turbulence, so I put it on the floor because I know it's really hot. So we are coming into land, and they've warned us there's going to be a lot of turbulence. So we're ready for it, but we're not sure. Let's go upstairs.
Around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again. And my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk, where the rivers walked along with us.
And it's raining, that's a shocker. And it's windy, it's raining and windy. Mind you, it was colder in Turkey, I think, wasn't it? Not today though, but the other days. Anyway. And just like that, I'm back home again. It is now 1:30 in the morning, and I'm literally going to go straight to bed. That was a great trip. Really enjoyed my time with my son. It was amazing. He's always good company, bless him. But I need to be up. Oh, that got very dark. I need to be up very early in the morning. 5 hours, I suppose. So I have a job to do in the morning. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. In the next video, I'll be showing you the food I've eaten as a gluten-free celiac person in the Liberty Lara Hotel, what was available and what I enjoyed. The first morning's breakfast looks amazing. Let me show you.